One is, of course, the kind of conduct you can do online, whether, I mean, through electronic means anyway. And the other is the issue of privacy. Kasi, if this had happened years ago, before we had this kind of technology, wouldn't even have become an issue. But because we have this kind of technology, it is an issue that one person will have to contend with. It's something of concern, particularly because I've come across several recent articles how practically any electronic device can be hacked. Iba yung kay Jeff Bezos ba yun, yung super billionaire na yung Republic of, I don't know which Saudi Arabia or Egypt, they were able to hack, or that's what the report came out in the press. Actually, clone. Yeah, virtually nothing already is private anymore in the world nowadays. So it's also a sign, I think, to all of us we should be aware of this and conduct ourselves accordingly.
Now, having said that, anong opinion mo kay Jin niya?
You know, it's something that I guess it's very difficult especially for him, because it's not the kind of conduct that apparently he wanted to be publicized, and apparently it was never intended to be. So how that became public, I mean, that's a different issue entirely.
Meron pa isa, Fred Aguilar.
Ready?
Okay, sige. Yung well, ganito naman yung nangyari doon eh. I have no intention of picking a fight with anyone, even with Fred Aguilar. Nagsimula kasi to dahil sa sinabi ni Pangulo. Sabi ni Duterte na yan joke na yan, wala namang ginawa yan. At mas bagay sa Senado si Freddy Aguilar. Kasi magaling na composer yan at magaling siyang kumanta. So when my reaction was asked, sabi ko, well, tatanggapin ko naman na mas magaling siya kumanta sa akin. Baka pwede kong tanggapin na mas bagay siya sa Senado kung ang Senado ay kantahan lang. Pero hindi naman tayo gagawa ng kanta sa Senado. We're going to make laws. And I leave it to the people to decide kung sino ang mas may kakayahan. At ang sabi ko pa nga nun, kung gusto malaman ni Pangulo kung sino ang mas bagay sa amin dalawa, o di iharap niya si Freddy, magdebate kami para malaman naman ng tambayan kung sino ang mas may kakayahan magsagawa ng batas. Actually, it brings up to the fore a big problem we have with elections. Sa akin, pati ang halalan ngayon, hindi na makatarungan eh. Kasi ang gusto ng mga mayayaman na kandidato, padamihan na lang ng TAR, padamihan na lang ng advertisement. It's a form of deception, really eh. Because by putting their name out every day, every minute, every hour, they want the public to believe that they are capable senators. But the real test of being a capable senator is whether you are capable of debating and persuading others of the rightness of a law. Kaya matagal na namin hinahamon din ang mga kandidato ng administrasyon. Mag-alaman tayo, magharapan tayo, magdebate tayo, and let the people decide who between us is a better candidate for the Senate. In fact, I was so curious, binuksan ko yung rules of the Senate. Makikita nyo doon, paulit-ulit ang salitang debate, period of debate, opportunity to debate, because that is what senators do. We don't sing, we don't dance, we don't make sharps, we're supposed to make laws.
Sir, anong isa sa mga problema ng kampanya niyo?
Siyempre,